Good evening, my name is Anaí Bailon, and today I will be talking about what my memoir project is going to be based on. So technically my memoir project is going to be based on my experience as a competitive swimmer. So to start off, I first started swimming in 2013 when I was about 10 years old, I believe. I was put into swim after many other sports I had been into. It was a way of distraction and a way to keep me active throughout the day. So when I first started swimming, I swam for a club team called Barracudas. Practice was Monday through Friday for about 2 hours long, I would say, and competitions were almost every Saturday, if not every other Saturday, depending where they were at. So when we would have competitions, of course we would compete here in Albuquerque, but along with that, we also competed out of town, such as Taos, Santa Fe, and Belen. And of course, this was a way to meet new swim team, along with making new friends and meeting new people, and even just enjoying time with family and your swim peers. So moving on to high school swim. So in 2017, I started high school at Etrusco Heritage Academy High School. So swim team began around October, November until the beginning of February. So throughout the way, of course, there was challenges, obstacles. Throughout the way, it was way more difficult than club. It was harder just due to the fact that the coaches expected more from you, and they just had higher standards for you. They just wanted to push you to make you better. So throughout my freshman year and sophomore year, I would only swim 100-yard freestyle, 200-yard freestyle, and sometimes relays here and then. Just depended. But by my junior year, I became more of a distance swimmer, and I was put into other events such as a 500-yard freestyle. So that was my first time I did my 500-yard freestyle, and it was a good experience at first, which then led me on to doing it my senior year. So senior year, I did 500-yard freestyle, 100 backyard backstroke, which isn't long distance. It's more of a sprint, but it was something that I always wanted to do. So my senior year, I tried it out and I liked it. And along with that, I did 200-yard freestyle, which is considered long distance but also a sprint. And I didn't do as many relays my senior year just due to the fact that I don't really like relays. So moving on to competition days. So on competition days, which were mainly Saturdays, we knew that we were going to be there almost all day long. So competition days started from 7 in the morning to 1 to 2 in the afternoon, just depended honestly on how many competitors there were. So those days you had the meat nerves, especially when you were on that block and you were about to start your race. You also felt anxious and you felt excitement at the same time. And of course, you felt pressure just due to the fact that you knew that your coach and even family members were watching you, and you just wanted to do your best and beat your time from your previous event. So in conclusion, my first year of swimming was 2013 when I was about 10 years old. In November 2017, I stopped swimming for club and started swimming for high school swim team that same year. And my last year of competitive swimming was 2021. And thank you for listening to me.